Fortunately, we worked with the best on the design, Scott. He helped us kind of take what we were going to use the backyard for and put it all together in a layout that we could maximize the space of our backyard. The fire pit was a great addition. It's the perfect way to end the evening. The kids get out of the pool, they're a little chilly, they could dry off, sit by the fire, the adults could just talk and hang out. The pool turned out great. I thought I knew what I wanted, but thankfully Scott, again, took what I said I needed the pool for and kind of gave me his input as to what his previous customers had enjoyed versus not enjoyed. So it kind of helped with the depth of the pool and the width of the pool to get everything that we needed out of it. Absolutely would highly recommend Solid Structures design team, sales team, the installation crew. When we decide to expand our backyard vision a little bit, we'll absolutely be giving them a call back.
Yeah, my wife did a lot of Facebook just research and online research, and came across Solid Structures. Turned out really great. We had a lot of grass to start with, an old deck out here, wooden deck fixture, and we're a family that likes to have a lot of people over. We also have other immediate family members in the area, so just look to increase opportunities for having parties and gatherings for family here. We do have the heater, and that definitely comes in handy in the wintertime, being a Florida-based person growing up in Jacksonville, Florida, so really convenient to have the heater to utilize the pool all year round. As planned, you know, sitting down to the planning phase, executing with what things we liked, what things we didn't like, all the way through breaking ground and finally finishing up the project a couple months ago. Just exactly what we expected. Been familiar with salt pools in the past, and it's definitely the way to go. Not very much work and pretty reliable. Absolutely. Co-workers, families, you name it, we've had them over, and everybody has nothing but great things to say about it. Absolutely, I would recommend Solid Structures to anybody looking to put a pool or a deck or anything in their backyard.